We come to you live tonight from Cell Bio channel 4770 for some breaking news. There is a creature attacking the skyscrapers in the city prokaryotes. This creature is known as Bacterial Flagella. The creature has a unique structure to its body. Now we will go live to Tasha, who is right outside the city. Go.
Yes, Hannah, I am live here at the scene of this bacterial flagella doing damage to the city of prokaryote. Now, this bacterial flagella has a unique long helix structure that is composed of proteins called flagellin. Now, if you go from the bottom to the top of this bacterial flagella, you get the hook, which connects filament to the motor portion of the flagellum, called the basal body.
Thank you, Tasha. Now, isn't the basal body what anchors in the bacterial flagella, cytoplasmic membrane, and cell wall?
Yes, Hannah, the basal body is what anchors the bacterial flagella. But what is interesting is that the bacterial flagella has a presence of rings which are surrounded by a pair of proteins called MOT. Now, what these proteins do are actually driving the flagellar motor, which causes rotation or spin of the filament. This rotation also has a protein called phyli proteins that function as the motor switch. This reverses the rotation of the flagella in response to the intracellular signal.
Tasha, let's talk more about the bacterial flagella's basal body and hook. I know the basal body has a central rod inserted into a series of rings that are attached to the cytoplasmic membrane and cell wall, but we don't know about the rings. Tell us a little more about that.
If we go back to the structure, we have the 4 rings. 4 rings are located in the creature's bacterial flagella's basal body. We have the L ring, which is the outer ring. This is present only in gram-negative bacteria and is anchored in the LPS layer. Next is the second ring called the P ring and is anchored in the peptidoglycan layer of the cell wall. Next we have the basal body. Next we have the MS ring. The M stands for motor, which helps power the flagella to spin. The S stands for switch. Both M and S ring are anchored in the cytoplasmic membrane.
Thank you, Tasha. This bacterial flagella sounds very complex.
Yes, Hannah, this creature is very complex, but this creature of the bacterial flagella also will use its long helix to grow from the tip. This will allow new flagella proteins to move through the hollow center of the helix to the tip where they are added. So, everyone needs to hide their kids, hide your wife, husband, cats, dogs, hamsters, yourself, whatever, because this structure will continue to move.
Thank you for tuning in to Cell Bio channel 4770. We will keep you updated on this creature's whereabouts. Tune in tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. to hear all the details. This is Hannah signing off. Oh crap! Oh my god, did you get that? I did.
Thank you, Apple and Eve, for some apple juice.
Breaking out the juice box. Hopefully they don't count these things. Hopefully they don't count these things.